Hi, good day, everyone, and welcome to Ever Best Crypto Org channel. And I'm so glad that you're here today. Today's video will be looking at Android crypto mining apps and how we can earn free cryptocurrencies with our mobile phone. And a lot of crypto mining apps are all there. Lots of videos talking about how to mine cryptocurrency from your mobile phone. And I decided to come up with this video on crypto mining apps. And these mining apps that I'm talking about in today's video, these are the apps that I'm personally using. And as you can see on this image on the screen, we have 8 of those apps here. The first one being PI Network. I know a lot of people are currently mining this app, but then for the benefit of those that they don't know anything about this, I added it to the list. So the next one is TimeStop. The third one, the next one is B.com. The next one, Cloud NN, PHT. The next one, Eagle Mining Network. The next one is Savage Share Coin. The next one is Remint. The next one is Remitano. Now, the rest of these mining apps are just mining apps, exception of the Remitano. Remitano, a lot of you must have known these exchanges. And exchange, they are also into the business of P2P, just like Binance P2P. So you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency locally. And this Remitano, this platform decided to have their own native token, just like the way Binance have their native token called Binance Coin, BNB. They Remitano decide to have their own native token called Reneg. So I'll be talking more on this. So stick to the end of this video so you can know how you can leverage on this all this opportunity, and most importantly on the Remitano native token. Okay. Now before we go further, let's look at what is a crypto mining apps. A lot of people are having this misconception of what mining apps are. No, before the word mining, when the word mining comes to the cryptocurrency industry, we know it to be Bitcoin mining and all that, where you have a mining farm, set of computers, and all those gadgets used for mining. Now, mining has surpassed that. Now we are having proof of stake mining. Now, the Bitcoin mining and all that is proof of work. Now, the proof of stake doesn't need those huge mining gadgets, computer, electricity, and all that. It simply needs a wallet and your coin. Once you stake your coin to be mining and to be getting cryptocurrency in return as for your work of mining, that process is called proof of stake. So now we'll be looking at how we can mine cryptocurrency with our mining app. So simply a mobile application that allows you to carry out simple tasks in exchange for some cryptocurrency or token. That is what mining app is. Now, most of the time, the rewarded coins or tokens are the app's native token. Or then there are cases where you can mine other coins and tokens other than the app native token. So now let's see types of crypto mining app. There are lots and lots of them, but then I'm always presenting people with opportunity that I'm personally doing and personally test running, so that I can have my experience with that platform or that app. I know how it is. I can answer any question thrown at me. That is the only way I can share my experience. So I don't recommend what I don't use personally, except in some few cases. But majority of what I do is what I've engaged in personally, something I've put down my money, I've put down myself to risk to see how it works, so I can I can recommend better to my audience. So we'll be looking at 8 of these coins. Like I said in the previous slide, Pi Network, TimeStop, B Network, Phonium, Eagle Network, Savichia Coin, Remint, and Remitano. Now, the first one being Pi Network, all you need to do, of course, these are mobile apps. Then if you're Android users, and this video is specifically for Android users, so I won't be talking about the iPhone users. So as an Android users, you need to get all your apps from the Play Store, okay? Now, let's see some things about the Pi network before we talk about this registration process. Now, PI is a new digital currency. This app allows you to access and grow your PI holdings and serves as wallet to host your digital assets. PI is fairly distributed, eco-friendly, and consumes minimal battery power. Remember when I mentioned the Bitcoin mining and all that? Now, proof of stake is much more easier and consume less energy than the proof of work. Now, steps to register your Pi network. Go to Play Store and type the word Pi network and download the app. After installing the app, click on sign up and put in the required information. And use, very important, use Charles Dollar as your referral, because all these mining apps, when registering, you need to provide the person that referred you to the platform, to the mining app. Now, in this case, for the Pi network, if you're new to Pi network, if you've not been mining with Pi network before, obviously, I'm the one referring you. So go and download the Pi network app. Then once you're done in your registration, use Charles Dollar as your referral, okay? Once done, go to your app daily to mine Pi tokens. Now, when you open your app, on your app, you see to the right of the app, a thunder kind of icon, thunder looking icon. Click on it. In every 24 hours, your mining session will start, okay? Now, let's look at the next one, time stop. Now, there's something unique. This is one of my favorite mining apps because the mining process is on auto. It doesn't require you to every 24 hours go to activate the mining. It's on auto. It mines 24/7, okay? Now, let's say that works. About TimeStop. TimeStop was launched on the 7th of October, 2020 by TimeStop development team. Now, their mining process is much easier because it's mined on auto, like I said. But you're required to click on the globe icon twice to register and increase your score for that day. You don't have to click to begin mining, it's on auto. But then all you need to do is every day when you open your TimeStop app, you go to the last icon on the bottom of your app screen. Go to the last icon. You see something like a calendar showing you on the screen with numbers 1 to 30, 31, depending on the month we are in. Then what you need to do, you see a blue globe, a globe that is blue in color. Tap on it twice and it will register you that day that you're present. That's the only thing you need to do. But the mining process itself is on auto. So each day you register, you click on the globe, the score is attached to you on the upside of it. You see a score there. So the more your score, the better. Don't allow your score. Any day you miss is -2 of that score. So you keep increasing your score to be on the safe side. Okay, now the steps to register your TimeStop app. Sorry, this is a typographical error. It's supposed to be TimeStop. We are having PI there. Sorry for that. Go to your Play Store and type TimeStop and download the app. Just like every other mining apps, after installation, click on sign up and put in your required information. But then there's something you must listen very well in this TimeStop that is different from other mining app registration. Put in your own ID. Your ID is the username you want to use, right? That will serve as your referral user ID when you want to refer other persons. Now, after putting in your own ID, click on check to verify the ID. Click on check. The reason why you need to verify the ID is so that someone else will not be, if someone is using that, the user ID that you're choosing, you need to change it. So when you click on check and it has ticked you good, meaning it's available for you to use, you're clear to use it. But then if it's showing you that someone has used it, it's not available for you to use, then put another one. And after you do that, type in your witness ID, which is your referral ID, the person referring you. And in this case, type in Mr. Best as your referral ID and fill in your personal data, like your name, your email, the country, and all that. Once done, go to your app daily to click on your attendance, just like I said. Remember, this is TimeStop. It's mine and on auto. You only need to click on your attendance daily. That's all you need to do. All right. So let's move to the next one, B network. Now, B network works much more like the of your Pi network, where you have to activate your mining on a daily basis. So let's see what this B network is. An interactive game and social networking platform. You can choose your B balance. You can score your B balance and communicate with your friends. Now, it was released on the 16th of April, 2021 by B.com. Now, the same process is applied. Go to your Play Store, type in B network and download the app. After installation, click on sign up and put in the required information. Now, I'm putting your details and use Ninja Affiliates as your referral ID and register your account. Once done, your mining will kickstart. Go to your B network apps daily to start your mining process by clicking on the B logo. Now, every day when you go after 24 hours of mining session, when you open your app, you see the B logo, tap on it, and the next mining session will kickstart. Now, let's continue. Now, the next one is our cloud Earning PHT. Now, the wonderful thing about this Cloud Earning PHT, just like every other mining app, is that it has, you can stake your coin. It has other features compared to other mining apps. So let's look at it. It is designed to deliver simplified user experience and platform that enables all users, regardless of technical aptitude, to fully participate in the new cryptocurrency economy. The application requires internet to sign in and establish a connection with the Ethereum server. Simply press Start Earning to connect. The server handles everything in the cloud. Therefore, once earning is established, the app doesn't require the device to keep it open or in the background to earn PHT. Now, PHT is the native token of cloud earning, right? So stake your PHT and get up to 5% monthly return. At any time, open Cloud Earning PHT to access the average earning statistics, track the earning progress, or see the PHT market statistics overall. To avoid interruption, a notification is sent when the earning process ends to extend earning for the next 7 days. Now, this is one unique thing, features I was trying to explain when I started on Cloud Earning. I said it has new features that other mining apps don't have. Now, each mining session is in 7 days, but of lately, I've been observing that the mining session is about 6 days and some hours, right? So let's just say it's 6 days, 7 days, sorry. Each mining session is 7 days. That means you need to activate your mining every 7 days, once a week, not daily. The other mining apps are daily. You need to go every 24 hours to activate it. Why? For Cloud Earning PHT is every 7 days. Now, steps to set up your Cloud Earning app. Go to Play Store, type on Cloud Earning and download the app. After installation, click on sign up and put in the required information. Put in your details and use this code SKFSM4U7 as your referral ID and register your account. Once done, your mining will kickstart. Now go to your Cloud Earning app once every 6 days or 7 days, depending on what you see there. I'm sure it's not more than 7 days to start your mining, sorry. Claim your mine coins. Once the expiration of the 7 days, click on claim your mine coins so that it will be added to your account balance and start a new mining section from there. All right, so now let's look at the next one, Eagle Network. Now, when you go to your Play Store, I'm putting in this picture so that you see what the app looks like. You won't go to download maybe a photocopy, a pirated app also. This is how the app looks like. Whenever any of the mining app I'm talking about, I will always put a picture to show you so that when you go to Play Store, you know what you're looking for. Now, about Eagle Network, you can start to mine without a mining machine. It's super simple. Your mining rigs are already set up and running on cloud. Now, most of these mining apps I'm talking about, they are cloud-based mining apps. That's why you can put off your phone and it is still mining, unlike the one I talked about previously when I started this video, the Bitcoin mining that has to do with proof of work. You have set of gadget computers and all that. You can mine on cloud, but these mining apps works on cloud, most of them. So all you need to do is you just activate your app and it keeps running. So as soon as you set up your account, you can start to mine without a mining machine. It is free and easy. Eagle Network was released on 26th of February 2021, so it's pretty new. Steps to set up your Eagle Network app. Go to Play Store and type Eagle Network and download the app. After installation, click on sign up and put in the required information. Now put in your details and use Mr. Best as your referral ID. Like I said, if you're new to this, if it's the first time you're hearing, then know that I'm the one referring you. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Now, after that, once done, your mining will kickstart. Now, go to your Eagle Network app every 24 hours to start your mining. Just as simple as that. Same way you mine, same way you carry on your Pi network, time stop, and all that. Just click the app, activate the mining session once the previous one ends to start the next one. Now, let's talk about this mining app, Savichia Coin. Now, this when you go to, okay, let's talk about it before we talk about the downloading and all that. Our startup aims at creating a complementary currency system based on the top-notch guarantees of a decentralized blockchain, consisting in irreversibility of data, direct user control, speed of transactions, no risks from third parties, zero scams, and transparency. It was released on what, the 10th of February 2019. So it's pretty much not that new. It's 2 years plus counting. Now, steps to set up your Savvy Chaircoin app. Go to Play Store and type the name and download the app. After installation, click on sign up and put in the required information. Now you'll be using this code $OHS, capital V, C, capital N, and O as your referral ID. Now I will be dropping these referral IDs in this video description so that it will be easy for us to copy and paste, okay? And you register your account. After registering your account, there is a special feature that this mining app comes with. So it's called free salary, free daily salary. So how to get your free salary? Once you have logged into your wallet, open the site navigation and click on the button that says get free salary. A screen will open where you will see a button with text, get free daily salary. Click this button and ad will pop up. Wait for the ad to complete and click the close button. Once the ad is closed, you will receive your daily salary. Please know that you can only request for daily salary once per day, and it needs to be requested every blessed day, just like claiming your you mining your coins. So for this, you need to go there, click for free daily salary, and it will be given to you once in a day. Now, there's something I observed. That's why I said I can only recommend mining apps that I've used, so that I will talk from the perspective of an experienced user. Now, there's something I observe about this Savvy Chaircoin. Whenever you're registering it, at the last, after putting in your referral ID, when you click on sign up, a page will come up that you'll be asked to put in the code sent to your email. Now, on the first trial, when you click when you copy the code from your email to put there, it will not work. It will show you error. Don't panic. It's normal. I've seen it over and over. I don't know why it's happening that way. What you need to do, go back to the registration form, click sign up again. That page will come up for you to put the mail sent to your email. Now go back to your email, copy the second code, put this time around, it will work without stress. I don't know why it's like that, but then from the point of observation and experience, just follow my advice and you get your account set up in no distant time. Now, the next app we'll be talking about is Remint. Remint, the mobile crypto miner. Now let's see what this Remint is all about. It's a new digital currency with focus on the real estate market. Now they are coming from the aspect of coming with a coin for the real estate industry. So it's something that everyone should look up to being a part of it. It's free to mine, so why won't you get it? You're not paying anything for it anyway. So Remint is under phase 1, and the app allows you to mine coins and store them in the app as well. It's eco-friendly and consume minimal battery and all that. After phase 3, you will be able to withdraw the coins you have mined to your preferred wallet and keep them and store them in the Remint wallet. When phase 3 is done, we will launch the currency on the crypto market and reform our app into a real estate app where you can rent and buy real estate with the coin and offer various of different real estate insurance based on Remint. So there are lots of promises coming on or coming from this Remint mining app. And if that is true, we are able to keep to their promise, then it will definitely be a game changer, especially in the real estate sector. So I look forward to seeing their promises come to pass, and it will be massive. So you can go through it. Remint was released on 12th of April 2021, pretty new. Now, how to set up your Remint app, go to Play Store and type Remint and download the app. After installation, click on sign up and put in your details and use capital letter SEKOHNFJ as your referral ID. Like I said, I'll be dropping it in the group description for you to copy and use and register your account. Now go to your app every 24 hours to start your mining. Now they said you'll be mining at 0.6 Remint coin every hour per hour, but they need to activate the mining session, right? And there's one other feature that helps you to accumulate as much Remint token as possible. If you have the time for it, you can also claim free Remint as bonus every 20 minutes. Now they have a timer on the app that every 20 minutes, you see a button bouncing up and down showing bonus. Tap on it and you'll be given 1 Remint. After that, the timer will start for the next bonus, which comes in every 20 minutes. So every 20 minutes, you'll be claiming one Remint. If you have the time, why not do it? All right, so let's look at the next one. Now, I promise this is the last one on the list. and it's different from the previous one I just talked about. Those ones are purely mining apps with their promised features that they plan to bring to the cryptocurrency industry. But then this Remitano is already an established crypto exchange, just like Binance, that you can go to buy coin and do a whole lot of stuff from them. But now they decided to come up with their native token called Renit. Now let's see. Remitano is a product of Babylon Solutions Limited, incorporated in Seychelles. They provide an escrowed P2P Bitcoin marketplace where people can buy and sell Bitcoin quickly and safely with a remarkably simple user interface, friendly online customer support 24/7, and lowest fee compared with major players on the market. Their team is composed mostly banking professionals with extensive experience in financial products, e-currency, payment system, and agile software development and others. Remitano was released on 24th of July 2016. Like I said, they have been around for some time. They're not new to the business, so I want to believe that they know what they are doing, and deciding to have a native token this is one of the projects you want to take serious, because they have a reputation to preserve, and they also have a name to keep. They have been there around, they have been making money. For them to be around since 2016 to 2021, it means they have something working for them. So you want to identify with them. Now, they decide not to sell their native token. They decide not to do ICO. They decided not to do airdrop or whatsoever. No public sale, no private sale. Now, what they decide to do is give people equal access to mine this coin free. It means both the people that have money, both the people that don't have money can actually have this access to this coin at no cost by just mining it on a daily basis. So now, for now, you can mine it free. We don't know when the mining will stop for now. No information on that, but then keep getting the coins free. Now, steps to set up your Remitano. Register your account with this link. I will be dropping on the group, the video description also of this video, the description of this video. I will be dropping this link. So copy the link, go to your browser, click on the link, and register your account. Once you finish registering your account, go over to your Play Store and download Remitano app from Play Store and log in your account that you just created on the app. Now click on mine once every day to mine your Rene coin. Every blessed day, you keep mining the coin once every day. So in every 24 hours, you go to your Remitano app and you mine the coin. So they keep giving you a percentage of their coin. You won't get one Rene per day. It's a percentage of it, but then you keep adding it up, and with over time, it will come up to something tangible. And I so much believe in this project that they are doing something wonderful, something unique. And I hope to see it happen just that way. Now, I know this is a long video, so I didn't intend to keep it any much longer. Now, conclusively, it is relatively straightforward to start mobile crypto mining. You only need to get a smartphone and the mining app as well. You could use your phone while the app works in the background. Like I said, most of these apps are cloud-based, so your phone you don't even need to put on your data, or your phone doesn't even need to come up. Once you activate them, they keep running till that section ends for you to activate the next section, okay? And you're getting your reward. I hope these few apps will help you in your crypto journey. Bye for now. Now, some mining apps require KYC. Sorry, this is a point I want to drive home. So mining apps requires you to do KYC, while others don't. Now, my advice is do the KYC if required to be on the safe side, so you don't have any issue when withdrawing your coins, okay, and all your tokens. Anyone that asks you to do KYC, supply. Make sure when registering your account for these mining apps, use your correct details, use your correct name, your correct email, use your correct age. Everything should be accurate, and also use information that will also reflect on your ID card in the case of KYC, so that I don't have any conflict of interest there. So thank you so much on today's video, and I hope these mining apps will bring you some cryptocurrency in the long run. So it's a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much, and bye for now. I'll see you on the next one.